Hi, and welcome to InstantGMP's video on scale integration. We're really excited to roll this out, as you guys may have some of this equipment in your plants already. Once InstantGMP programmers have created a protocol for integration with your specific scale model, the protocol must be loaded into InstantGMP. Here you see we have a balanced scale called the OHAU scale, and our model is Ranger 4000. Once equipment has been assigned to the protocol, make sure to print labels for that equipment. You can see this label here. When printed, can be adhered to your equipment on the line. In order to use this integrated scale to capture real-time production data, a scale with the integration protocol must be entered on the Equipment tab of the MPR. We're going to navigate to the Equipment tab where you can see that this equipment has been added to the master record. This master record has been approved, and we've created a batch record from it. Note that the button to use this automated integration to the scale can only be accessed via the manufacturing instruction step, whose associated part number has a unit of measure indicating weight. We're going to go into the step with sucrose, which is measured in grams. Your operator can use the Scan and Get Weight button to continue the process. First, the operator will take the scanner and scan the receipt number for the material that should be weighed. You'll see the receipt number be automatically entered. Next, you'll scan the barcode of the equipment. Now you're going to dispense your material. First, make sure to tare the scale with a vessel. Then dispense your material. The amount will automatically be entered into the system. Scan your badge. InstantGMP will auto-populate the inventory use screen. At this point, you can enter a purpose if necessary. We're going to confirm the information, and you'll see that our use has been automatically entered. You can see the receipt number, the vendor lot number, the usage, the unit, the signature of the user, the equipment number, and the equipment name. You can use this multiple times during one step. You can see that the total usage has been added for you. Here you can see that our equipment log has a place for the OHAU scale. Our activities have all been recorded automatically for us. This will show your receipt number, vendor lot number, usage, quantity, and unit, the signatures, the equipment number, and the equipment name, as well as the batch number. This creates traceability that you can also see in your reports. Well, it's really easy to do, and it's fun to scan. We hope that you'll join us if you were interested in seeing another demo, or if you have any questions about what can be integrated. Thanks for watching, and make sure to visit us at instantgmp.com.